Good evening, Robert Scribbler filming south and east from Jeanette's Pier on a cold and clear Thursday here. Let's see, December the 7th, with some glassy 2 to 4 foot waves breaking up and down the other banks. We've got the westerly winds coming in, holding up the swells a bit, and overnight winds expected to shift to the south and west and bring in some warmer air tomorrow, with some 2 to 4 foot waves up and down the beaches for tomorrow. So let's get down to some of the local observations provided by the wave monitors, the model data, and the buoy data. Right now at Nag's Head, let's see, I'm on the wrong page in my clipboard here. Clipboard, legal pad, same difference. Okay, all right, so for December the 7th at Nag's Head right now, we've got 2 foot waves. Clean conditions, north-northeast, swell coming out of the north-northeast, kind of angling more toward the east at 8 seconds. Westerly winds now at 11 miles per hour. Air temperatures 45 degrees Fahrenheit. Ocean water temperatures 54 degrees Fahrenheit. Getting pretty cold. And we're looking forward to a low tide this evening at around 9 p.m. for the east-facing beaches. Further south in Rodanthe right now, we've got 2 to 4 foot waves in clean conditions. Swell coming from the northeast at around 2.9 foot and 9 seconds. Westerly winds at 9 miles per hour. Air temperatures 46 degrees Fahrenheit. Says the ocean water temperatures is 60. I don't believe it. I was surfing in Rodanthe earlier today. It was cold. It felt colder than 60 for sure. And then down at Buxton, 3 to 4 foot plus waves and clean conditions right now. Swell coming out of the northeast at 4.1 foot and 9 seconds. West northwest winds at 16. Air temperatures 47 degrees. Ocean water temperatures at 63. And last of all, at Frisco, we've got 2 foot waves and clean conditions. Weather conditions for today, we've got a cold high pressure ridge over the US East Coast, which is bringing in those cold winds from the north and west and west, and cleaner surf today. Tonight, winds switching to the south and west and bringing in some warmer air, along with expected clean 2 to 3, maybe 2 to 4 foot surf tomorrow, and just overall warmer and more pleasant conditions on tap for our Friday. And then getting into Saturday, continuing warm conditions, and looks like the swell holds up at 2 to 3 feet. So hope you guys do get out there and enjoy some good waves. And as I always do, I'd like to ask you guys to please do everything you can to help protect our beautiful coastlines from the impacts of climate change driven by fossil fuel burning. Those impacts being rising sea levels, more intense storms, harm to ocean health driven by both ocean acidification and ocean heat waves. And it's worth noting that right now there's a lot of activism going on, rightfully so, to keep the reef safe in Tahiti, even as we look forward to the Olympic surf competition in Tahiti. But we do need to be good stewards of our reefs, and part of being good stewards of our reefs is definitely preventing harmful construction that damages the reef, but also we need to prevent ocean acidification and ocean heat waves, which are a threat to reefs globally. And I'd like to ask you guys to go ahead and Google a scientist by the name of Professor Terry Hughes. He's one of the eminent experts on coral reefs, and has been certainly sounding the warning about the health of all of our beautiful reefs, which not only provide us with wonderful surf conditions, but with so much else. And so many native cultures see their reefs as sacred. So we really need to get away from the fossil fuel burning and start mass deploying that clean energy, wind, water, solar, electric vehicles, starting to build the electrolyzers to deploy the green hydrogen, and all of the liquid fuels that can be produced by green hydrogen as well. So let's just do it. It totally can be done. Don't listen to the cynics. We need all of the things that our wonderful earth environment supports, including our beautiful coral reefs. All right, so thank you for joining me once again as a surfer paddles in the cold surf today.